Hey everyone, and welcome to Salesforce TechBook. Today, we're jumping into a huge topic, something that is absolutely critical if you want to win with artificial intelligence. We're talking about building a real, solid AI vision. And trust me, this is the thing you've got to do before you even think about writing a single line of code.
All right, so let's get right into it. We've all seen it, right? Those headlines, those stories. Companies pour millions into some exciting new AI tech, only to see the whole project just fizzle out. No real impact. So what's going on here? Well, most of the time, the problem isn't the technology. Nope. It's the fact that they jumped in without a plan.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. Random acts of technology. I mean, how perfect is that phrase? It's so true. It's what happens when teams get excited about a new AI tool just because it's the cool new thing, not because it actually solves a real, painful business problem. And that approach, it just leads to wasted time, frustrated teams, and basically getting nothing back for all that money spent. Okay, so if random acts of technology are the problem, then what's the solution? Well, it's having a clear, intentional AI vision. And look, this isn't just some vague mission statement you stick on a poster. We're talking about a strategic roadmap that answers why you're even using AI in the first place and what you really expect to get out of it. Think of it like a North Star for your entire organization.
Just look at the difference here. On the left, you've got the chaos that comes from not having a vision. You're wasting resources on projects that are dead ends, your teams are all pulling in different directions, and in the end, you get really low impact results. But then look at the right side. When you have a vision, everything just clicks. Your priorities are focused, all your stakeholders are on the same page, they get the goal, and that leads to high impact results that actually move the needle for your business.
So what actually makes up a powerful AI vision? Well, it's really built on three key pillars. First up, your core values. I mean, is your main goal to make your customers more successful, or are you just trying to slash costs? Second, your business objectives. What specific problem are you trying to fix? Like maybe you want to dramatically cut down customer service response times. And third, and this is huge, your ethical guardrails. You have to define your non-negotiables around things like data privacy and fairness right from day one. Okay, that all sounds great in theory, right? But how do you, actually build one of these things? Well, at Salesforce, they use this really powerful internal framework called V2MOM. It's a super practical, step-by-step blueprint that helps you turn these big, abstract ideas into a concrete, actionable plan. Let's break it down. The cool thing about V2MOM is how simple it is. The name itself is the guide: vision, values, methods, obstacles, and measures. So you start with the big picture, the vision. What is it you want to achieve? Then, you define the values that will guide you along the way. Next come the methods. These are the specific actions and tools you're going to use. And then, crucially, you have to identify the obstacles. What's standing in your way? Could be bad data, could be a skills gap, and finally, you define your measures.
And let's zoom in on that last part for a second. Measures. This is so important because this is how you prove your AI vision is actually working. We're not talking about vague goals here. We're talking about specific, quantifiable key performance indicators, or KPIs. And you got to think beyond the obvious. So instead of just saying, let's reduce resolution time, maybe a better KPI is improve first contact resolution by 25%. See the difference? That shows the AI isn't just fast, it's effective. This is how you show real, tangible business value.
Now, here's a key thing to remember. Creating this vision is not a solo mission for your CTO, locked away in some basement. It absolutely has to be a collaborative effort. Getting the right people in the room from the very beginning is, without a doubt, critical for success.
So, who's on this AI vision dream team? Well, it really comes down to three key groups. First, you need your executive sponsors. They're the ones who provide the budget and the high-level direction. Second, you have to have your subject matter experts. We call them SMEs. These are the people on the front lines who know the real everyday pain points. And third, you need your IT and data teams. They're the ones who can tell you what's actually technically possible and whether your data is even ready for this. When you get them all together, they create a vision that is both ambitious and achievable.
So we've got the vision, we've got the framework, and we've got the team. But there is one foundational element, one cornerstone that holds this entire thing together. And without it, even the most brilliant AI strategy is probably going to fail.
So what is it? What's that one single thing you absolutely, positively must have for any AI initiative to actually work?
The answer? It's trust. Plain and simple. Trust is the bedrock of absolutely everything. Think about it. If your employees don't trust the AI tools you're giving them, guess what? They're not going to use them. And if your customers don't trust how you're using their data, they're going to walk. You could have the most amazing technology in the world, but if there's no trust, it's basically worthless.
So the big question is, how do you build this trust? It really comes down to two key things. First, you have to be radically transparent with everyone, your employees, your customers, about how and when AI is being used. No black boxes. People need to know what's going on. Second, you need to implement a human-in-the-loop model. All that means is that a real person is always there to review what the AI comes up with, to make sure it's accurate, and to catch any potential mistakes before they ever reach a customer.
And that brings us to our final thought for today. As you go back to your work, I want you to ask yourself this one simple question. Is your organization's AI strategy built on a solid, collaborative vision, or is it just a series of those random acts of technology?
Honestly, the answer to that question is probably going to determine your success. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe and share Salesforce Tech Book for more deep dives just like this one.